Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you step by step. I already made this video about how you can fix Freecash not working, but this is like a new update and I will show you guys exactly how you can solve this problem. Okay, so first thing I would recommend is updating the app. Okay, if you are using phone, by the way, I will show you guys how you can do this on your laptop, Android phone or iOS. So first thing you need to do, guys, is just need to go to Play Store or App Store and search for the app and update it to the latest version. Okay, if it's already updated, like removing it and install it again may help. Okay, so second thing you need to do, so this might has to do something with cookies. Okay, so if you are like completing the offers but you are like they are not tracked, you don't see here your earnings, that means you disabled cookies for this site on your laptop or the phone. If you are using iPhone, by the way, you can just go to Safari and search, and as you can see, open the settings app. Okay, select Safari and ensure that the prevent cross-site tracking is turned off. Okay, just go to settings and select Safari and ensure the prevent cross-site tracking is turned off. Okay, also ensure the block all cookies is turned off. Okay, so that may help if you are using the phone. If you are using the laptop, make sure the site make sure you isn't disable cookies. Or you can also download another browser, like you can download, let's say, Brave or Firefox or Google Chrome. Okay, use another browser, not the one you are using right now, and open your Freecash account and see if your offers now are tracked or not. Okay, this may help you guys if that's the reason, like if the cookies are the reason why the offers are not tracked. So another way, guys, which works for everyone, is to just contact them directly. Okay, just click this green button here at the very bottom right, and you want to select here messages. Okay, so say something like send us a message and search here, I need help with an offer. Okay, so just contact them directly and explain to them exactly what is happening, and hopefully it will help you guys. Okay, so if this one, guys, helped you, drop a like and let me know in the comments, guys, if you have any questions. I try to reply to everyone, and see you guys in the next tutorial.